be sharing 3 easy artsy nail art, so don't forget to give this video a big old thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already to be part of Queen Ash family. And now without further ado, let's get into it. So I already started with the base color, and here I have a turquoise blue base color, and now I'm gonna be taking a silver shimmery nail polish, and I'm gonna be just swiping the brush half and leaving a little bit liquid remaining on the half of the brush. So now I'm gonna be doing is just applying it so on the tip of my nail, and this is more like a French tip, but you are doing a little bit thicker than a French tip, and it is so freaking cute, like oh my gosh. When it's completely dry, you can finish it off with a nice shiny glossy top coat, and we are done. So I already started with base coat, and here I'm applying a nice bright pink nail polish, and I'm applying it like so. I'm just making a V shape, and I'm just applying half of it like so, and this is super easy. You don't need anything else except the nail polish brush. So the pink base is dry, and now I'm gonna apply over it a nice super simple glitter nail polish like so. This is so freaking cute. It looks like sprinkles, white sprinkles. So yeah, it is super simple, just like so, and that is the look.
It's not for me to say.
When it's dry, once again apply your glossy top coat, and you're done.
It's not for me to say you love.
The base color is natural pink, so now I'm gonna be applying a nice bright pink color on the tip like a French tip. So I'm gonna be doing rainbow colors on each nail. And when it's completely dry, finish it off with a nice glossy top coat. Watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already to be part of Queen Ash family, and don't forget to follow me on my all social platform. The links will be down below. It's all Aisha Style. Thanks for watching.